So I just hand scrambled and then solved the star without influencing F2L or S2L. And so one of the first things I saw was this white, yellow, blue pairs, because I noticed that the edge is over here, which is in a pretty good spot because these are different colors, to do an R2U R2 prime insert. And I knew that would put me in a good place for this pair, which I would just do like this. And this is you could do this two ways. You could do it like this, which is okay, but I usually prefer that, which is one of the ones I showed. So L, U2, BL, L prime. And now I have this flipped pair. I guess I would just do U2, then rotate, and then do the flipped alg, and that sets it up to this insertion where I do an F prime, and then put it in like that. And now I have the red, white, and green, and I don't want to rotate for this too much, so I'm just gonna pair them up like this, and then insert them into the back. And that leaves the white, yellow, purple pair, which if I do an F prime, I can set them up to a 3-mover. And then this is a kind of wacky insertion as well, so I'll just do an F or an L to bring out this slot, and then F prime, U, L prime. Now I'm looking for the two S2L pieces that have purple on them, which are here and here. So I'll solve this first, and then I'll bring this up so that I can solve this. Now I saw these two first, so I guess I would do something like this, and then I would cancel into the R2F, R2 prime, F prime alg that I showed. And then I saw these two, which are in a pretty nice position. I don't want to rotate and do like this, so I'll just bring this up and then do a lefty insert. Next, I would see the purple, orange, blue pair, and I should do a U2 and then pair them up, which leaves this insertion, which is really nice. Just do F prime, U, R prime, F. And then I'm looking for this edge, which I insert into here. And I find this flipped pair right here. It's kind of weird to do this from this particular angle, but I think since it's going down here, I would do an R2 prime, move it here so that I can pair them up like this, and then insert. Let me know if you can think of a better way to do that one. And then I see this, which is not super nice, but I can pair them up like that, and then rotate, because I need to be here anyway for the next face, and then do R2, R prime, to put this slot here, F, U prime, R. Now I'm looking for this edge, which needs to go here, so I'll just do that, which left this flipped pair, and I would do the R prime, U2 prime, R2, U, R prime. And now I have this, which is kind of weird. It needs to go here, and I think the most efficient way to do it would be an L2 prime, and then set them up to a 3-mover, and then insert. It's not super great, but I think that's the best I can do with that. Next, on to last face, I'm going to go ahead and solve these two pieces into here with the blue on bottom. So I will rotate, and then pair them up, and then just do that. And I would rotate for this too, because when I take this out, I'll just do a double sledge, or a double sexy, and then I'll solve this lefty, and then double sexy. Then I will finish off with a twisted corner and an easy CPLO.